So when I played Sita, of course, there was a Rama, the king.
Hi, everybody.
We are just telling everyone that they should go out and watch the shows of ARDP.
Yes, please do watch. Sobrang talented ng kids na to. Kids!
And of course, napanood ka namin. Napanood. Pero kasama ko siya sa stage. We could see that you are also getting into the dance moves of the company. How was that like? Getting out of your comfort zone of just singing, but also getting into the movement, getting into dancing.
Well, it's fun because you're working with the Alice Reyes, diba? So wala ka talagang magagawa. You just have to do it and commit. And also, nakakahawa din yung energy
Nakakahawa.
ng mga... Nakakahawa yung energy ng mga
Tamang word.
dancers. Like, yung commitment nila, oh my God. Kung kami nag-rehearse kami ng 2 hours, sila nag-rehearse for 8 hours, tapos may lakas pa rin sila to do a run. So that's really amazing. So
Yes. Pag
gagawin mo rin talaga.
Pag nakita mo yung tagaktak ng pawis nila.
Yes. Sila yung nagme-makeup ng buong buo sa umpisa, pero after the first number, hulas na.